Yeah, Nigeria had never disappointed Nigerians in making their lives miserable. Watch this video to the end and understand why. Yeah, this is me, Associated Peters, the voice of the people, the voice of God, the voice of our ancestors. I'm here to bring it to you undiluted, the real truth, the raw truth. You see, when I see news like this, I am encouraged because it shows that what we're saying on this platform is making impact. Yes. How can a governor not pay pensioners their gratuities and what is accrued to them, and you are there giving them bags of rice as a philanthropist or what? No. You see, in this part of the world is where government pay you your salary and see it as a privilege that you did you a favor by paying your salaries for it and include it as their achievement. It's only in this part of the world we see this kind of nonsense. But I'm happy that people are beginning to realize and say no to some of these handouts they use in buying you over against your own very self. It doesn't make sense now. Now, to the real cocoa. You know, I've always said that Nigerians are victims of Nigeria. And if you are still, you know, contemplating on whether or not this is a fact, I want you to watch this video, just like we've always seen before. And I'll be right back.
Hello guys, can you see everyone is voting against it? Yeah, this is Nigeria for you. We've been here for 2 hours. We've got here around 6, 5 minutes past 6 to be precise, from the UK. Since then we've been on this queue. This is 2 hours we've been here. And you see how people are around you? You start feeling the frustration from the point of entry. When you are coming back to this country, you start feeling the frustration from the point of entry. That's how bad it is. Yeah? The non-Nigerian passport holders, yeah, that's all done. That's all gone home. But the citizens are suffering. Everything is being poured on the citizens. They're suffering. This is bullshit. This is everyone's nonsense. In a country we call ours. This is rubbish. It's ridiculous. I don't know why this country is getting worse every day. You come to your country, you start feeling the heat right from the port of entry. You start feeling the heat. Look at how this woman is acting. And she's being honest. She's saying the truth. Everyone is frustrated. People who are not Nigerians are even enjoying the country more than those who are Nigerians. I don't know if we've committed any crime being Nigerians. Yeah, the so-called Nigerians. This is rubbish. I can't believe it. If you are traveling back to the UK and you are a UK citizen, it's quite easy. You get in by your self-service. You use self-service. You get in. Within 5 minutes, you are in. Within 20 minutes, you've picked your bag from the conveyor belt. Within 20 minutes. Or in this country, it's something else. It's ridiculous. It's appalling. It's a crap.
You see, this is a time where Nigerians are expected to come back from wherever they have sojourned, seeking for greener pasture, to come back to where they call home. And what did they get? This kind of experience. No, it's a normal thing in Nigeria. They will frustrate you. From airport, once you land, bam, you realize, say, you don't enter. Nigeria will never disappoint me for once. To prove that they can do otherwise. They will always prove that whatever we say here is correct. What kind of system do we run? What kind of animal kingdom do we have in this part of the world? This is a jungle. This is not obtainable anywhere. Even in Ghana here, you cannot experience this kind of nonsense. You will be traveling around the world Once you enter Nigeria, bam, you go no say you don't enter. Even witches and wizards know this. Even Ademos know this. Principalities and powers know it. That Nigeria is a lawless society. It's such. In fact, some people even wonder, how do people cope, survive in Nigeria? And that is why many of them who I've spoken with say, no, they are not coming back. It's better they be treated as slaves in another man's country than be humiliated in their own home where they go. Now, by the way, is Nigeria your home or a product of subjugation and exploitation? Your answer is as good as mine. Nigeria is a product of colonization. And that is what is happening across African countries where colonial establishment have continued to live up to the standard upon which it was set up. Colonization is all about exploitation, subjugation, suppression of the people. So I am an advocate of freedom of African people. Dismantling every trace of colonial establishment is a duty that must be done. It is something that Africans must dedicate their lives to do, so that Africans can truly be free, beginning with Nigeria. Remember what happened in 1914? The manufacturing of Nigeria by one man and his mistress. And tomorrow somebody will tell you God created Nigeria. Let me go. Let me come and be going. Actually, I am in Ogidi. I'm at Ogidi right now to attend the funeral of a mother, a true mother, a mother indeed. Okay? And you will understand why by the time we start rolling out the content of my stay at Ogidi. Mama and Yangwelo, rest in perfect peace, because you are a woman of peace. I'm signing out. If you're new on this platform, subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you just soonest. So Ogidi people, now me and on this time. All right, let's roll. Aliba Macau. Hi. Our home is so beautiful. So subscribe, like, and share. I'm signing out. Stay safe.